Hello everyone, how to use semicolon to split data in Excel. So let's start this my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So data is showing in one column, so it's separated with the semicolon. So here I'm going to split this data in different columns. So simply select the entire column, go to the data tab in data tools group, click on the text to column option. And here the one dialog box is open, convert text to column wizard. Here the original data type, choose the file type that best describe your data. Select the first option, delimit it, and you can check here the preview of the selected data. After that, click next, and here you can see again you can check here the data preview and just click on the semicolon option and your data is split in different column. Click on the next and select the destination where you want data. Click on this arrow and select the cell where you want. Click on again arrow and click on the finish. That's it. Your data is split in different column. So this is a way you can use here the semicolon to split data in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.